Hi, I'm Diane Twining, founder of Roost Root. It was about 2008 when our family got serious about backyard chickens. Like any backyard farmer, we went shopping for the first thing every chicken needs, a chicken coop. Import coops from China were cheap, wouldn't last, and couldn't hold up to predators. They were not designed to be easily cleaned and made feeding and watering a mess. I asked my husband, who is an inventor and builder, to make me a better coop. He insisted he build 25 and sell the ones I didn't need. 2 weeks later, they were all gone.
Coops, like anything else, are only as good as the design and the materials you build them from. Over time, we developed different models to serve different needs and constructed a workshop on our property to make them in.
Our little shop turned into something much bigger. By 2019, more than 25,000 chickens in all 50 states called our coops home, and we became the USA's largest domestic maker of small flock coops. In 2020, we rebranded ourselves as Roost Root and started making gardening-oriented products too.
Roost Root makes what it sells in a 10,000 plus square foot shop outside of Austin, Texas. All our products are handmade, built to order, and sent directly from our workshop to your home. Whenever possible, we build from domestically sourced woods, fasteners, adhesives, and hardware. Our craftsmen take great care to make a product that is both beautiful and one that will last outdoors over time. We use both legacy and ultra-modern manufacturing methods. Carefully inspect, then lovingly pack each customer's order prior to shipping.
Most of our products are delivered to you as kits that you put together using ordinary tools and a little elbow grease. We staff our own handyman hotline just in case you need a little extra help. If we screw something up, we want to know and we want to make it right.
We're leaders at what we do and will continue to develop innovative backyard farming products as well as educational tools like our Roost and Root U online series. Find Your Inner Farmer is more than our slogan. It's our belief that people can emotionally, mentally, and physically benefit from backyard farming. On behalf of our entire team, thank you for shopping at Roost and Root.